Meanwhile, Purisima is putting a stop to the multitasking system in PNP offices nationwide. He also advised erring cops to quit the police service at the soonest possible time. Alvin Baltazar reports.
Tutukuyin at aalisin natin ang mga mapagsamantalang opisyales at miyembro ng organisasyon. Kaya naman, may mensahe ako sa mga kasabahan natin sa PNP na sangkot sa kasabahan at katiwalian. Umalis na kayo ngayon pa lang.
This is what the public usually is waiting whenever a new chief PNP assumes office at the highest post at the police institution. And as PNP Deputy Director General Alan Purisima formally takes over at the helm, the usual and seemed to be the popular warning against crooked cops again was heard this time under the leadership who will be promoting what he dubbed bisyong makatotohanan. According to Purisima, it is now time for them to set a good example before the public.
Ito ang hamon ko sa lahat ng miyembro ng Philippine National Police. Tayo ang magpakita ng ehemplo sa ating mga kababayan sa araw-araw na pagtatrabaho natin upang madama at maranasan nila ang kaginhawaan at kasiyahan na dulot ng tuwid na daan. Ito na rin ang aking pangako sa ating mga kababayan sa mahalagang araw na to. Ang inyong pambansang pulisya ang magpapakita ng magandang ehemplo, dunong at galing.
The new chief PNP also will apply under his leadership the no multitasking policy so that there would be no duplication of jobs.
Kung ikaw ay isang investigador, dapat nakatuon ka sa mga kasong binigay sa iyo. Marami sa mga kaso ay nabibinbin, ang investigador ay nauutosan para gumawa ng ibang trabaho. Kapag ikaw naman ay nakatalaga sa patrolya, dapat lang na hindi ka na tatawagin pa para gumawa ng ibang trabaho. Sa pamamagitan nito ay mas magiging dalubhasa ang mga pulis sa kanya-kanyang tungkulin.
Meanwhile, retired General Nicanor Bartolome became emotional during his retirement speech, especially on the part where he reminisced the colorful memories of battles won and lost.
Gratitude to my former men, now all retired, who have filled me with great and colorful memories of battles won and lost. May I request my retired personnel to stand.
Purisima, who is a member of PMA Class 1981, will be at the police stewardship for the next 3 years. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.